Hey Licky and the team, it's Josh here.
And Sarah.
As you can see, we're a little bit tired. We've had a pretty big day. So as in regards to me, I started off the morning pretty early. I left here about 7:30 to help out with the men's open, which is one of the main teams. We had to do a little bit of strapping and myotherapy as a combination. Then my team actually arrived at 11, so at about 11 o'clock I was working with the mix open. Found out that they have quite a few injuries, which was a bit challenging at first, but once I overcame those initial barriers, I sort of sat down with them. I think I strapped 3 knees, 2 shoulders, 1 thumb, and there was like 7 or 8 ankles that I had to do. So that was just for the first game, so after I met the team. Unfortunately, we went down pretty bad, but the effort was definitely there from the team, and they were working hard on D for each other. Then we rolled on to our second game. Turns out because of the humidity that we actually, I had to redo both the shoulder strapping. The players and staff are pretty happy with my performance so far, which is something that I'm proud of. So, but yeah, what about you, Sarah?
I think you covered most of it.
Yeah, all good.
I had a similar schedule, only 2 games. I did a knee hyperextension strapping, an ankle strapping, and then did some massage on the thoracic spine of 2 of the players. And then there was also someone with an intercostal strain. So then I palmed that off to the physio who is filming this right now.
Yeah, he's the man.
Yeah, my team also isn't doing too well. We got pumped in both games, but it's okay because we versed hard teams. But as for injuries, my team's pretty good. No one's really that injured. His team is pretty bad.
Yeah, it's all good there.
But yeah, that's all.
Sweet as. We'll see you guys when we get back. I think we've got a couple trial games when we get back, so just keen to get stuck in and get around each other, support each other during our placement, and let's go doggies. Cheers.